Welcome to my guitar tutorial. This is one of my guitar lessons for beginners that is channeled to help you to learn how to play guitar comfortably in just 14 days. After these 14 days, you should be able to learn how to play both the major chords and the minor chords on the guitar. Today we are going to begin with key C major. I'm going to teach you how to play this, and let's get right into that. With your thumb on the guitar this way, and then your first finger behind the first fret on the second string, your second finger behind the second fret on the fourth string, and then your third finger is going to be behind the third fret on the fifth string. Your pinky hand, this, you're not holding it, is free. So with this secured, you can now play your very first chord C major on the guitar. Let's play it. You don't play this. As you can see already in the chord diagram that is here, you see that wherever, as I have said before, wherever you have X, you don't play it. Chord string number 6 is there is nothing there, it's marked X, so we don't play from it. We're going to play from string number 5. We're going to play from string number 5. Of course, you see string number 1 and then number 3, they are marked 0. It means that they are open, but they should be played. So let's play straight. Now, how do you hold your, if you are playing, you can use your plectrum or pick. How, when you have pick, how do you play it? How do you hold it? With your pick, this, your thumb on the right, you place it this way. And then this, you're going to place it this way. So it is with this, it is now coming out a little bit. So with this, you can now play. It's just like this. With your hand this way, and then this, you are placing it here. It's become this way. Just bring it a little bit. And then your hand should be very, very flexible. You don't make it rigid. With that, with our finger secured on the strings, we can now play. Do this, do it many times, several times. You are going to learn how to do that. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. If you actually gained some value, please share this video to others, like this video, and drop a comment if you have any problem. Do not fail to subscribe to our channel. I already have a video here, my last video on this, to show you how the parts of the guitar and how to get started from the scratch on this. See you next time for the second of our video in this series. God bless you.